Let's be honest, we are all a mess, and that is the common ground that we must come together and pick each other up. Here I am in Midland, Texas. Today, I'm at the Trinity School. We're gonna have a great day, my friends. Private, faith-based school. As I pull in the school in the parking lot, I see a lot of big jacked up Ford trucks. This is my type of school community. Walking into the gym now, get ready for this. So I love coming early and get to talk to like the administration, and I'm excited. It's a private school, very expensive tuition. And so with that, 100% of kids go on to further education. It's really valued here. And I'm pro-education, but I think sometimes you have to ask, is the value worth the cost? And when kids growing up and maturing later, the thing is, are they ready at 18? Or are they just pushed because that's expected of them? So today we're gonna do a lot about crossroads in life and making choices. Your attitude, what are you passionate about? And I think every single day, value yourself, attitude, and choices. Let's go and do this. I'm honored to be here. Midland, Trinity School. Boom! Would you say that hardship teaches you some of the greatest lessons?
Yeah, no, hardships definitely change a lot of who you are. You experience things that you don't have the opportunity to experience, whether it's good or bad, and you learn about yourself so much more when a family member passes away or you lose a loved one, or even just changing locations from state to state. All of that makes a difference, and it makes you realize who you really are and what is important in your life. I mean, I really loved it. You were so funny. You spoke to the people in a way that, I mean, we're kids. We really are. We're teenagers, and we're immature, and we're just, you were funny. You made us listen to you and want to listen to you and hear your story. And you talked about your children and your personal life, which was even more encouraging, because I didn't think I'd go off to do all these great things, and your stories made me want to go achieve and do the things that I want to do, because that's the way I want to live my life.
I didn't tell him to say that. Just a mature young man that's going to do awesome things in his life. Leaving Midland, leaving Trinity. You know, I wonder if some of these kids realize the awesome opportunity that parents are able to provide for their kids. They get to go to a private school with, you know, the ratio between students and teachers much smaller. So there's just, you know, more one-on-one time, greater investment. The kids, the sports, the school spirit, the morale, the faith. I sometimes wonder if, like, you know, because like, you don't know what you don't know. And so these kids are given this opportunity, and, you know, maybe they think, what, doesn't everyone have this? It's pretty awesome. I don't know what you guys do in Texas with the kids, but you know how to raise them. You know how to bring them up. Yes, sir, no, sir, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. Well, it was a long trip getting here. It was a struggle, but it was all worth it. Take care, my friends.
Life-changing.
Yo, who's the kid that drives that nice big jacked up Ford truck there? I hope you tell your parents thank you, because I'm sure your parents are paying for it, probably putting the gas in it. I'm kidding, man. That's a nice looking truck though, yo. Boom!